Mm.
Isn't it that way?
It's supposed to go, sir.
You know where that leads?
No, sir.
Okay. Remember, we're not on a GPS.
What's up, guys? You know it's your boy Shawn Overcomer. I just want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. So today we're going to Ramsfall in Alberta. So you guys get to explore a little bit of Alberta, a little bit of Canada with me. So I hope you guys enjoy. I was introduced to this place by one of my co-workers, so I'm hoping for the best and I'm hoping for some great sights.
Windshield, if I'm sitting back when the dash is in it, if I sit forward then it's just a road.
Rest stop, I guess, out there in the middle of nowhere.
You're right, it's the middle of nowhere.
We're just looking at some sheep far away in the distance right there. You guys cannot even see. Moms look cute.
Oh, there's horses. Look, Shawn, look. Horses. Go that way.
Yeah, so
See them?
yeah, wild horses. Little horsey. Watch it on the tunnel. I post the picture now, watch it. In Bossy. Look like a bee horse over there. Hear them. Out here without fear. Not even taxi we not take. Yeah. Nature life, said we. Yeah, guys, so right about now we're strapped up and ready to go. Moms? Yeah, well strapped.
You're blocking me. Like you can't even see me the way I smile. Jeez.
Well strapped up and ready to go.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it that way?
It's supposed to go, sir.
You know where that leads?
No, sir.
Okay. Remember, we're not on a GPS.
Think so.
Follow the sign.
Yeah. Same life, yeah. Long time I want a little cut off from civilization, is it? Yeah. My safe haven. And it's such a beautiful day out. I see him difference. No. Yeah.
Is there anywhere down there that we can put these? frozen. I am sorely disappointed.
And then it falls that.
It's still frozen. Yeah, but it's actually that it's frozen.
I know me all cool.
Huh?
I know me all cool. Ah. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yep. Right now, me afraid of height.
You? Forward. Let me go in front.
Go in front of my video. Right now, me scared of height. And me there way up.
You'll have to go back there.
Way up around place. I mean, it's beautiful, that for sure. You know, me I feel cool in that place.
We'll have to go back up there.
Yeah, possible. Yep. The great Ramsfall. Ramsfall.
Ram Falls.
Don't suppose more as the Rams. Rammy Falls. Yeah. Rough up foreign. Rough up yard. That's what they say. Tell them, man. Ultimate nature experience. No signal on your phone.
Damn, these steps are steep.
Yeah. I think after finishing these steps, when you finish these steps, you probably do the maximum that you should do per day. Yeah? Yeah. Ramsey! This is gorgeous, guys. Look at that beauty. That's gorgeous. And great thing there isn't a lot of people here today. That's beautiful. That's what I love about camping and in the mountain. You always find some beautiful spot tucked away in the middle of nowhere. Yep. Wow. And I mean, probably if we come here later in the summer, we probably see the water looking much better even. Yeah. Out there. Yeah. I mean, if anyone know any campsite in Alberta, any beautiful place like here, or even better, somewhere in Banff, just let me know in the comment below so I can go there next. Because I'm planning to go camping on my birthday, which is coming up in like a month and so. Yeah, 4th of July. So I need to go camping for that weekend. I'm planning on going camping for that weekend. Yep. Ramsfall it is. Yeah. I mean, I'm grateful for this opportunity, and I'm grateful that I wasn't disappointed after I was recommended by my coworker. So well done, Jesse. Well done. Yeah. So I think it's lunchtime now, right, moms?
Yes.
Mm. Climbing all these steps. A full workout we're doing. Hmm? Full workout.
I'm tired.
Mm. So yeah, I'm over already.
Hey, this is our whole leg later.
Mm-hmm. Full leg workout. And we done foot calf, them probably big. Mm-hmm. The wind is nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Beautiful.
Almost as beautiful as me.
So yeah, go on.
Freaking gorgeous.
Mm-hmm. Look at that great backdrop. It's a great sight, I'm not lying. You should come here. Yeah, you guys need to visit this. I mean, a lot of person in Alberta probably already visit here. The road is bad, but it's worth it. Yeah, the road is bad for about an hour. But I guess that's what makes it fun. Part of it, cut off from civilization, no internet connection, and you're just going in, appreciating Mother Nature to the fullest. Yeah, I mean, it's a good place. Like most of the mountain views and the mountain hikes here are great, especially for family or if you want to just spend some time without the distraction of having the internet accessible. Yeah, so that's the plus side to not having service here. You get a lot of time to like just appreciate nature and appreciate one another's company, focus on each other. So I would recommend this spot for anyone who want to just take a break from civilization and just appreciate Mother Nature. Yeah, and don't wait till you're rich. Appreciate life with whatever you got. That's the goal, that's the aim from now and forevermore. Appreciating life with whatever I got. Yep. That's here. Photogenic that much? Yep. And guys, this is our anniversary, our 1 year, and we decided to just come out. We both love nature and love hikes, which is very awesome. Natural beauty. Mhm. You are my African queen.
Sorry, I told you you could sing that.
I mean, rising star voice, the man. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's an AGT voice.
Let's not.
Yeah, if you go join AGT, man, go crew. Mm-hmm. See the rest.
I'd be lying. I said I'm not tired.
Finally reach the top once more. Mm-hmm. Good thing I'm kind of fit, unlike some person.
Fight me.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess you guys can see and probably get some ideas probably get some ideas of how to set up your little picnic spot. In a video, man, know yourself.
I was gonna help with that. You can literally lean this across like on the street. What am I, a garbage person? There isn't even a bin here.
Yeah, just
Just put it in the bag. I don't know which side you want, but it's universal.
ice and juice. Yeah, so this is basically our little setup. Yeah, a few sandwich. Yeah. And then in here we have our little champagne. And I don't think we should be drinking alcohol out here, but we're gonna pour it in here, so how will they know? I guess. How will they know? Yeah. And then we have some Red Bulls and juice and ice all up and running, so yeah. So see you guys later, because I'm gonna get some and I'm gonna get some me time now. So alright, so it's now 7:20 and we're just leaving Ramsfall. So it was quite an experience. I mean, we wish we had came a little earlier so we get to explore more of Nordic per se. But I think we had fun. We had some time together without any internet connection, which was good. Mom, how was your experience?
It was really good. It's freaking beautiful, guys. You have to go.
Yeah, there you have it. I would recommend this spot to anyone who likes hiking and who likes nature. Yeah, because it's very beautiful, and you can even imagine it deeper in the summer when the color of the water is much more beautiful. Yeah. So I wish you guys all the best, and please like, comment and subscribe.